Hi, welcome back to our how to show tutorial series. Today I am going to talk about a simple topic uh, of how to add a printer to your MacBook. As a lot of people are working from home, a lot of kids are doing their school at home as well. A lot of time you have to print their worksheets. A lot of time you have to print your sometime the project sheets for review. So in this tutorial we are going to see how do you add a printer to your MacBook. The steps are very straightforward. What you're going to do is you're going to go to right there on the upper left corner, look at the system preferences. When the system preferences open, there you will see a little icon which says printers and scanners. When you click on it, it opens the list of printers and scanners that you have already configured. As you can see, on my system, I do not have any printers or scanners installed at the moment, so my list is pretty much empty. So how are you going to add a new printer? Look at there's a small plus icon here. You're going to click on it to start the process of adding a new printer. When you click on it, a new dialog will open. In this you will see the list of printers that are available to you. If there is nothing showing up, do make sure that your printer is turned on. Usually that is a problem that I've seen, that a lot of people complain, I don't see this, my list is empty. So simple thing that you have to do is make sure your printer is turned on. If you are relying on a network-based printer, if it is a wired printer, make sure it is the network wire is turned on, is already into the slot. If it's a wireless printer, make sure that your printer is configured. Go to your printer, do whatever you have to do depending on to put your printer on the network. As you can see, I have a HP PhotoSmart C7200 series network printer, and it's a wireless printer. It automatically showed up. What you're gonna do is I'm gonna select it, and I'm just gonna, when you double click on it, it will fill up all the information that you need to do. I'm just gonna say it is in my home office. I'm just gonna give it a location just for fun, and now I'm gonna say add it. Now as you if your Mac does not have all the printers that are required to make this printer work, it is going to start downloading the printers. As you can see, it just finished. It took almost a minute and a half on my MacBook to configure this printer, and there we go. It's all set up. There is nothing else I have to do, and I'm all set to go. I hope this helped you in setting up your printer for your work from home environment, or your teaching your kids from home environment. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.